This video is to help you to program your keypad, and you just want to change the code. You already have one and you want to change it to another code. Esto es solamente para cambiar el código. Ya tienes el código y le quieres poner uno nuevo. This one is just a universal keypad. Esta es solamente la que es universal. Yo la compré en el Amazon. And here is my remote controlled unit. It's a linear, okay? So normally the other videos they show you how to press the learn button and all that stuff that is over here. But if you already have a code and you just want to change the code, I'm gonna show you, okay? So este video es solamente para cambiar el código. Ya tienes uno y le quieres poner uno nuevo. Entonces lo que haces es que le pones el viejo primero y le aprietas Start. Ahora le pones el nuevo y le aprietas acá. Una vez que ya le aprietas eso, once you do that, so old code, Start. New code, Start. And now you put the new one. Let me show you how I put the new one, and I'm gonna press 0. No, Start, 0. Okay, let me show you. And it's working.